The iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, often referred to as R5 II, represent two pinnacle achievements in imaging technology, but they serve fundamentally different purposes. The iPhone 17 Pro is Apple's flagship smartphone for 2025, released in September, blending high-end photography and videography into a pocketable all-in-one device with computing power, connectivity, and everyday utility. In contrast, the Canon EOS R5 II is a professional mirrorless camera launched in mid-2094, designed for dedicated photographers and videographers who prioritize raw image quality, lens flexibility, and advanced controls over portability. This comparison focuses primarily on their imaging capabilities, sensor performance, autofocus, lenses, video, and more, while touching on build, battery, and value. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. The iPhone excels in convenience and versatility for casual to semi-pro users, while the Canon dominates in professional-grade depth and customization. 1. Sensor and image quality. The Canon's 4500p full-frame sensor is the clear winner for raw image fidelity. Its larger 36x24mm size captures more light, delivering superior dynamic range up to 14+ stops. Low noise performance at high ISOs, e.g. clean images up to ISO 25600, and natural bokeh without heavy computational processing. The stacked BSI design enables ultra-fast readout, 118,000 SE shutter, minimizing rolling shutter distortion in fast action. The iPhone's smaller 128-inch 48-megapixel main sensor punches above its weight thanks to pixel binning, 12-megapixel output for better low light, and Apple's Fusion Tech, which computationally merges data from three 48-megapixel lenses for vibrant, HDR-like photos. However, it can't match the Canon's depth in controlled lighting or print quality files. iPhone shots shine on social media or screens, but reveal noise and softness in large prints. Edge, Canon for pros, iPhone for quick, shareable results. 2. Lenses and versatility. The iPhone's fixed triple camera array offers convenience with a 24mm wide, 50mm ultra-wide, and 77mm 5x telephoto, all with OIS and macro support, simulating 8 focal lengths via software cropping. It's ideal for travel or vlogging, but you're locked into Apple's optics. No swaps. The R5 II's RF mount unlocks hundreds of lenses from ultra-wide primes, e.g. RF14 to 35mm f4, to super telephotos, e.g. RF100 to 500mm, enabling tailored setups for landscapes, portraits, or wildlife. This flexibility is unmatched for specialized work. Edge, Canon for customization, iPhone for all-in-one ease. 3. Autofocus and shooting speed. Both excel in AF, but the Canon's eye-controlled AF, borrowed from the R3, lets you select subjects by looking through the EVF, a game-changer for sports or wildlife. Its 30 FPS burst with full AF/AE tracking captures split-second action without blackout. The iPhone's LiDAR-enhanced phase detection locks onto subjects reliably, even in low light, with AI for dynamic tracking, but burst tops at camera 10 FPS and feels more consumer-oriented. Edge, Canon for high-speed pro shooting. 4. Video capabilities. The R5 II is a video beast, 8K 60p raw internal recording, oversampled from 12K for insane detail, uncropped 4K 120, and pro codecs like Canon Log 3 for color grading in DaVinci Resolve. It supports external RAW via HDMI and has better heat management for long takes. The iPhone counters with 4K 120 Dolby Vision, 10-bit HDR, ProRes log for pro workflows, and Ace's Color Science, plus easy editing in Final Cut Pro. It's more accessible for run-and-gun filmmakers, but lacks 8K and overheats faster in extended 4K ProRes. Edge, Canon for cinema-level production. iPhone for mobile creators. 5. Portability, battery, and build. The iPhone is featherlight and pocketable with all-day battery for mixed use. Calls, apps, photos. Its titanium build and IP68 rating make it rugged for daily life. The R5 II is bulkier, especially with a lens, and battery limited. Hour 1-2 hours heavy shooting, but its weather sealing suits harsh environments. Edge, iPhone for on the go. 6. Additional features and ecosystem. The iPhone integrates seamlessly with iOS, instant editing in Photos app, AirDrop sharing, and A19 Pro chip for AI enhancements like object removal. It's a phone, computer, and camera in one. The R5 offers in-camera upscaling to 179 MP, neural network, noise reduction, and tethering for studio work, but requires separate storage for editing setups. Edge, iPhone for ecosystem. 7. Price and value at $1,099, the iPhone delivers pro-level imaging plus smartphone perks. Insane value for most users. The R5 II's $3,899 body plus $1,000 for a lens is a pro investment, but amortizes over years of heavy use. Edge, iPhone for budget-conscious buyers. Pros and cons, iPhone 17 Pro. Pros, ultra-portable and multifunctional. Excellent computational photography for effortless results. Strong video ecosystem with HDR's ProRes. Affordable entry to high-end imaging. iPhone 17 Pro cons. Smaller sensor limits low light and depth. Fixed lenses restrict creative options. Overheats in prolonged pro video. Canon EOS R5 II Pros. Unrivaled image quality and low light performance. Lens ecosystem for endless versatility. Blazing speed and pro video tools. Robust builder for demanding shoots. Canon EOS R5 II. Cons. Expensive, especially with lenses. Less portable, shorter battery. Steeper learning curve for non-pros. Which one is the best choice? If you're a professional photographer, videographer, or enthusiast prioritizing ultimate image quality, speed, and customization, E&G studio portraits, wildlife, or cinema productions, the Canon EOS R5 II is the superior choice. Its full-frame sensor, interchangeable lenses, and 8K RAW capabilities make it a true workhorse that outperforms any smartphone in controlled scenarios. Worth the premium if photography is your career. For everyday creators, travelers, or anyone wanting a device that doubles as a phone, the iPhone 17 Pro is the best overall pick. It delivers 80 and 90% of pro results in a fraction of the size and cost, with seamless integration into daily life. Unless you need the Canon's extremes, the iPhone's convenience wins for most people in 2025. If your budget allows both, use the iPhone as a scout and the Canon for finals.